Hey, hello everyone, this is Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you the online marketing principles, really nice ways in which you can make money online. By the way, you can use this knowledge if you are promoting your own product or service, or even if you're doing affiliate marketing. Okay, but before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm usually talking about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topic. Okay, so let me go back to the topic. As I told you before, I'm going to be revealing how you can actually make money with digital marketing. I know everybody or most people are complaining like, okay, I don't want to do free traffic because it takes too much time. I'm not 100% sure if this is going to work. I don't want to do paid traffic because I'm losing money. I'm not even breaking even. Okay, so let me share you with this. Okay, so first of all, you need a traffic source. Okay, you need to choose a traffic source. If you're gonna do it for free, definitely free traffic. It's the path. It's gonna take time. That's okay. Choose one traffic source. It's gonna be YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, you name it. If you're gonna go with paid traffic because you have a budget, go with paid traffic. Okay. Now we're gonna do what we call it's funnel. Okay, it's a funnel. What we're going to do first of all is that we are going to drive this traffic directly to a page that's called the opt-in page. So we're going to capture people's emails. Okay, we're going to capture people's emails. Most people are doing like, okay, I have the best product ever, and this is the one that I'm going to be promoting, and I'm going to send in those people right away to the capture page. Oh, to the sales page. Sorry, that's not going to work because that's going to be a hit and miss. Okay, and that's another real business. By the way, my favorite funnel builder, it's called Builderall. I'm gonna leave a link below if you want to check it out. So you're gonna capture those people emails. Okay, because no one is really there like, hey, you know what, take my money, here I am, I'm ready to buy whatever, it's gonna show up right away. No. Okay, but we are going to be doing, follow-ups. We're going to be doing follow-ups. So you can create a free ebook, you can create a cheat sheet, you can create a free webinar, whatever you're going to be promising that is going to be solving once people problem. Okay, so it's going to be solving once people problem, whatever it is, your niche. Then you're going to send them to the thank you page in which you're going to deliver them that product. Okay, you're gonna deliver them that product, which is extremely important. Okay, so with that product, it's gonna have a relationship, it's gonna have your knowledge, it's gonna have your skills. If it's gonna show people that you're an expert and you really know what you're talking about. Okay, my suggestion is on the thank you page, have another call to action, like say like, hey, you know what, here is the ebook that I suggest you to go with, this is the actual PDF, download the PDF, watch the webinar, right? But if you're serious about this, click the link below because there is this product, okay, this all your course, you name it, that it's gonna help you to go to the next level. Okay, so there's gonna be a call to action and it's gonna sell them, they're gonna send them to a sales page. Okay, in this sales page, you're gonna have what we call a tripwire product. A tripwire product is a really affordable product that is gonna be less than $20, so they can decide like, hey, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. This is something that interests me, and boom. Now with this tripwire product, you're gonna be making money right away as soon as you're sending people to your funnel. Then you can have an upsell, which is gonna be the next logical step. Okay, maybe in this tripwire you have a sample of a ebook, you have a mini course, right? And on the next page you have something like, hey, this is a full in-depth training and membership area. You are gonna know because that's gonna be depending on your niche. So as you can see, maybe you're doing $7 here and maybe you're doing $37. So if you put it here, it's going to be $44 in total, and you're just sending traffic. Okay, you're just sending traffic. The more money you can spend, right, if you're doing paid traffic, um, the greater chances you are to get your money back, to break even, and even to get profit. Okay, so Let me recap this. You're going to send your traffic to the opt-in page. You're going to capture people's email and name email, or just the email. Then you're going to have a thank you page in which you're going to deliver what you promise, right? In this thank you page, you're going to have another call to action to the next logical step, maybe an in-depth training, who knows. So they're going to land on a sales page. If they decide to buy, right? Not everybody's going to buy. That's why this is a funnel. You can do an upsell, okay? But the most important thing is that you need to capture them. That's why you have the emails here. So on the very first email, it's going to be a welcome email in which you are going to deliver what you promise, because chances are that people are going to land here and maybe they are, on the subway, maybe they're on the bus, maybe they're on the job, and they're like, okay, I'm not interested right now to check it out. I will check it out later on. And you're going to start sending emails them about the information that they provide. Maybe it's going to be about this product. The coolest thing is that since you have their email addresses, you can keep marketing them for years to come. So if they decide to not make a purchase right away, don't worry. Whenever they're ready, they know that you are providing them valuable information and you're providing them products that are gonna help them. Okay, so that means like with a minimal investment, you can make tons of money. So this is the actual way in which you can actually make money online. If you are like, oh my god, I really don't know how to do this, I don't want to pay for a designer, as I told you, my favorite funnel builder, it's called Builderall. Again, there's going to be a link below. Right now they do have a really amazing tool that it's called the Builderall Canvas. It's gonna looks pretty familiar to something. So let's say that this is going to be tutorial 1.1. Tutorial 1. So here on the canvas, we have several type of funnels. As you can see, they have pre-made funnels here. Okay, but let's say that, okay, I need to do something quite different or less technical, a little bit simpler. So I'm gonna go here with it says blank. I'm gonna click here where it says create. Right, I'm gonna go here where it says create. Okay, so now what I need to do is then I click here on the plus symbol and I'm gonna have all the different pages that my funnel could have. So the very first thing that I need to have is my opt-in page. See, we saw it before, because I'm gonna need to capture people's emails. Then I need to have a thank you page. Yeah, because I'm gonna deliver whatever I promise. I'm not sure what you're gonna promise. Okay, so you're gonna have a thank you page. By the way, just in case I forgot, if you decide to go with Builderall, Builderall has it's an all-in-one marketing solution. So you're gonna have the email marketing software as well. Everything with just $29.90. So it is really, really, really affordable. Let's say that after my thank you page, I'm gonna send them to the sales page as I put it on my draw, and then I'm gonna send them to my upsell. Okay, this is actually my funnel. So as you can see, it looks really familiar to this one. Opt-in page, thank you page, sales page, and upsell. Really nice, right? So if I click here, okay, I can choose the layout that I want. There are some designs here, so I don't have to build this from scratch. Let's say that I'm gonna go with this one because I'm gonna put a video. Let's say that I'm gonna go with my thank you page. Let's say what's the design that I want to go. As you can see, I don't need to be a designer. Okay, let's say that I want to go with this one. So I click it, and let's say my sales page. What's gonna be my sales page? Again, you can do this for affiliate marketing. You can do this for your own product or service. So this is a really great way. So now let me click here, so we can choose the design for the upsell. Let's say that it's going to go this one. So now the only thing that I need to do is that I need to click here where it says save. It's saving, and now I'm going to need to create the tutorials, the website. So it's going to be tutorial 11. Okay, so this is where the magic begins. What the system is doing right now, it's actually creating the page. As you can see, it says that I can access it right now. Where the page is going to be? Okay, the page is going to be here on builders. I need to go to the drag and drop pixel perfect, and here on my sites. So I don't have to start from scratch. The very first thing that I did, and it's because I was using this tool before, I was creating my funnel here, but as you can see, I don't have to do that right now anymore. I just need to go with the Builderall Canvas tool, okay, which is exclusive for the Builderall business plan. Okay, this is an exclusive tool for the Builderall business plan. um, so everything it's gonna be there. Now, as you can see, I really love this tool, so let me go with tutorial 11. So here is it. If you want to edit it, you're gonna click here where it says edit. Okay, by the way, you are gonna see that this is great right now because the page is not published. If you want to publish it because it's ready to roll, you're gonna click here. Builderall is gonna give you a subdomain, so you do not need to buy a domain. This is up to you if you want to have a domain, but if you just click here, you can start sharing the link that is gonna show up here. So now I do have all my pages here. As you can see, the first warning is because I don't have the email marketing thing already set up. The only thing that I need to click here, it's right click, and then I can use Mailing Bus. Mailing Bus is the integrated solution that Builderall has. Okay, it's gonna be here, so you're gonna have your own autoresponder. Okay, so let me show you. Here you have all the pages, the opt-in page, the thank you page, the sales page, and the opt-in page, upsell page. So really easy to set up, really easy to create a funnel. Again, my invitation is you decide to go ahead and get the Builder of Business package, so you can have the canvas, you can have the pixel perfect, sorry, you can have the Mailing Bus. I'm gonna leave a link below. Also, I'm gonna leave a link so you can check it out, all the bonuses that you're gonna get if you decide to join Builderall by using my affiliate link. By the way, there are more than $3,000 just in bonuses. So this is it for this video. If you have some questions, if you have some comments, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, and I see you on the next